What the fuck?
I think we're climbing up this mountain.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Let's just look at how high that is. Great. Good to go. How do you feel, baby?
Hey,
We're gonna
go up that.
I don't think you can see how high that is. Somewhere there. Okay, let's go.
And start.
Alright. Can we appreciate Lawrence's head mount?
Appreciate the whole outfit, alright?
We've got the GoPro 7 head mount, his grandpa jacket, Kathmandu, and then Timberlands. Fashionista. Holy crap, I'm so unfit. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look, I found some boba. Look at all these chickens. Shit, I'm gonna start going before they come at me. How far are we in, baby?
Can't see. Sweat's in my eye. We are 37 minutes in.
Okay. And rather than going down or up that. We decided to go straight through. A little bit huffed and puffed.
Should I take the jacket off?
Oh, I'm so shiny.
Same.
You see how that? I'm gonna have a Snickers break. Okay.
Oh my god.
That's what really needs me. It's beautiful though. Look. Just had another pit stop. Look at that. I'm sweating so much.
My hat's completely drenched.
But this part of the track is a bit harder.
It's really muddy.
Yeah, the path is very slippery. So we're just trying to stick to the grass. That way we don't end up on sliding all the way down.
That'd be cool though.
Good to go?
Good to go?
You want to lead the way?
Sure. Can I rest for a bit? Stop. Anyway, sugar hit. Watermelon slices.
So good. My favorite. Mm. Okay, so we made it to the viewpoint or peak. And what time, babe?
Less than 3 hours.
Is it focusing?
2:55.
We made it, baby.
We did it.
Oh, look how beautiful.
Can't describe.
Worth it?
We'll see on the way back. Nah, pretty well. Ooh, like satellites or something coming down.
Oh wow. It's really breathtaking.
Words cannot describe. It's crazy.
Thank you.
Thanks, so should we line up and ask them to take?
We can. Yeah. Wow.
So we'll take a 360.
Okay. Let's see if I can spin around so you can see.
Nog iets speciaals?
Not scared.
Je kan nog daar misschien proberen te staan.
Not scared.
En anders.
Holy. Lawrence is saying how even if you're watching this in 4K, it just doesn't. Holy crap. Highly recommend doing this hike. Alright, time to head all the way down there.
It took 15 minutes.
To get to that rock. Do you remember? This is the rock that we ate the watermelon candy.
Where my GoPro messed up. So
And it took 15 minutes.
to get down. Fucking took like an hour and a half to get up. Bullshit.
So on our way down we were passing people, and just to be nice we're saying, oh, you're almost there. And then they're just like, oh, thank you. And when they walk by I've been saying hi to them, just to like, I don't know, it just makes me happy to say hi to people.
It's so cute. Cheer 'em on.
Yeah, like you can do it. Almost there. It's worth it.
So So should we not tell them that it's almost there? Should we tell them like, oh yeah, you got like another hour to go?
Yeah, either that or just be like, oh hey, how you going? Well, remember to stay hydrated. I don't know. But yeah. So going down is a lot easier.
But it's starting to get cold, so
It is.
it feels bad for people. But
Yeah.
I don't think anyone else will be coming up. You reckon? It's a bit late.
No, yeah, because we were worried that when they go down, it'll be dark.
Yeah.
By the time they're going down, that's pretty scary.
Especially like this.
Yeah.
It's too muddy.
Okay. But the view is still
Coming up.
great. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Yeah. The last part was really hard. Our feet. It's killing us.
Thighs are fucked. So fuck that.
That was intense. The uphill,
Was bullshit.
yeah, the view was amazing.
Downhill was bullshit.
That was hard. It feels like if you wear heels, imagine doing that before. How long did it take us to get down, baby? So like, because you're going downhill, you have to press in your shoes and all the pressure goes into your toes and then you're like getting squished.
It took 2 hours.
2 hours to get down.
Is that focusing? 2 hours.
So in total it was around 5 hours?
Yeah.
I think that's okay.
Fuck.
Holy crap. It was so painful towards the bottom.
And we took
We just-
shortcuts as well.
Yeah, we did take shortcuts. Can you show?
So this is the whole thing. Can you see that? And then like, we're just taking shortcuts.
We're going like straight down rather than going around.
Like instead of going, yeah, it's. Then like, fuck, man.
And it took 2 hours. You can see the blue line is us and that track is what we completely avoided.
Fuck. Okay, stop.
But yes, would still recommend it.
Fuck that.
Bring heaps of snacks.
16 kilometers.
Really should.
That's half the trip was 1.2 calories. What?
Only?
No, 1,200 calories. That's half the trip.
Oh, so we did 2.
We did 2 times that.
That's impressive. Okay, time to get a good meal.
2,400 calories. But the elevation went up to
We went up pretty high.
1.3-ish. We're fogging up the mirrors.
You are.
Fuck. Lowest elevation was 300 meters.
Which is where we are now.
Went a kilometer straight up.
But it was beautiful. It was good.
20,000 steps. Fuck that. 24,000 steps.
My feet hurt so
Yeah, my
much.
face hurts so much.
Yes.
So good.
But bring warm clothes. At the top, it got pretty cold. But then during the hike, it was very sweaty. I think I'm sweating now. Okay,
Alright, let's go get
some food,
Get some ramen.
hopefully it's good. We're
Hopefully
gonna head
it's-
back to Wanaka now.
Yeah, might see a tree.
Okay.
That's 2. Nice.
That's the max I've ever done.
No, let's get 3.
I don't think I can, honey.
That's 2. So cool.
Oh, was that 2 or 3?
I saw 3.
Oh! Can I leave it on a high note?
Fine.
Nice.
Yeah, let's go.
It's really nice, I think.
Huh?
So the Japanese place we wanted to go to isn't open until 5:30. So we're trying this Indian place, which is really nice.
So it's called Bombay Palace. Everything's reversed. Bombay Palace. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, it was rated pretty well and it looks pretty good. Keen for the food. Very tired. But
Oh, it's huge, so it should be good. Mint sauce is good.
Beijing, garlic naan, lamb rice. Yeah, I get what you mean. Like it's yummy, but it's not like homey.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit spicy though. It's got a bit of a kick to it. And then the lamb. Yeah, a bit spicy. My spice tolerance is not good.
Try the garlic naan.
Garlic and cheese.
Garlic cheese.
Can you look at that?
chili naan.
Can you smell it? The microphone. Yeah,
Good, yeah.
very good. It smells so good too. Okay, let's eat. Spicy?
No, not really.
No.
It's okay. It's subtle.
Subtle. Okay, maybe the vindaloo.
The vindaloo's not bad. I just had
Oh,
it.
okay. Oh, I was expecting more.
Not bad.
Hey, babe.
Hello.
Where are we going now?
We're going. Let me turn that down. We're going to Twizzle,
Yeah.
which is like on the way to Mount Cook, and that's our next pit stop for our road trip.
Yep.
Yes.
How long was the drive?
An hour and 43 minutes according to Google Maps. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going right?
Left.
Left. Shit.
Because right was Queenstown.
Fair enough. Yes. I'm really bad with my rights and lefts, as you can tell.
Alright.
But yes.
If you're tired, we'll make a pit stop and then we'll switch.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've got Monster.
Fueled by Monster.
Yes.
Alright.
Sponsored. No, I'm kidding. Let's go.
See you, what, Naka?